Good morning! No. Hey guys. So, I haven't edited or uploaded the vlog yet. Still have to do that. Today is going to be a fun day. Because, I'll be skimboarding with the GoPro and a bunch of that fun stuff. We'll get down to the beach, but I have to upload the vlog before we can do that. So, let me upload the vlog and get into beach mode. Yeah. Alright, guys. I got to, get some GoPro stuff. So, what do I want here? What do I want? What is this? Head mount. Definitely want that. Do I want the chest mount? Nah. This. It's kind of like it's, heck yeah. And that's a little preppy thing. So, because that's all I'll probably use. Because, I mean, head mount, I'll use that mostly. On the beach. So, yeah, this looks like our stuff. I left the GoPro on the, darn it. Okay, guys. I edited the vlog, now it's just uploading to YouTube. About an hour left. So, title. So, when you guys are watching this, this will obviously be up, and hopefully you guys have watched that already, so that we go on to the next vlog. Please watch my vlogs, daily vlogs, in a row, and I probably won't do daily vlogs ever again. I probably will, but what's this thing on my camera? Ew, that's a flash. I'm dumb. And my subscriber count is still 20. Please subscribe. Get me up to 30. That's the new goal. Get me up to 30 subscribers with 625 total views. Heck yeah. That's a nice number, actually. But I do want to get to 30. That's our new goal. Get us to 30 subscribers. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to switch over to GoPro mode. I'm going to switch over to GoPro mode. So, I won't bring this camera down because it's not waterproof, and that's not dope. So, I'm going to bring the GoPro, switch to the GoPro in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, I'm kind of mad right now. So there's jellyfish sightings out in the ocean. So there's getting less and less people in the water. So I was going to go on boogie board, but guess not. Amber was going to bury me in the sand. Guess not. That's a boring. That's like the worst way to end your vacation. So. You guys probably saw that sandcastle. If not, because my mom filmed and I'll zoom in on that again, because America. There it is right there. Right there. And there's a human walking along the hot sand. Very nice. Okay guys, so it's raining. It looks so weird. It looks a lot different than on camera. But like, I mean, look at that. And then I wanted to try and zoom in on our sandcastle. Oh, starting to fog up. Then there's the buckets we used to build it that we left down there. What? Guys, it's too hot out to vlog. Freaking. Oh, that's why I couldn't see anything, because it was zoomed. Dumb old Jacob. Dumb Jacob. Dumb Jacob. Look at all the people. Guys, earlier there was a bunch of people from the pool scattering inside the hotel. So that's why we're waiting to go. We're waiting to eat dinner because the elevators are probably
Amber's still getting ready.
crowded. And what you say, Mom?
Amber's still getting ready.
Hey guys, we are going to go to dinner right now. Right now. I don't know why I'm excited. Do you want to be in the vlog? Yeah? Okay, guys. So, we got back from dinner. It was okay. I did daiquiri. Chicken. It was a fish place, so don't order chicken at fish places. So that was good. Check my subscribers. Good. So yeah. It's our last night at the beach. Looking at YouTube. Because America. Oh, Casey Neistat. Van Oss Gaming. Traxxas. Roman Atwood. NCS. FouseyTube. I'll show you guys the last look at the dark ocean. You guys probably can't see anything because it's freaking dark as hell. See? Can't see anything. Amber?
Yeah.
So, this wasn't tonight's. This was like the whole entire trip. We were here, her shells. This is my favorite one right here. I'm a bit jealous of it because it's super really nice. Okay. Then we got, dude, you have like a lot of shells. She has this one that kind of looks like mine, but with like a hole in it. What's that? The table.
Whoa, Jake, look at this one.
Ooh.
You see the swirly?
Oh my god. Focus. Dude, that's thick.
Oh, look at this one.
Dude, it's like a skull. Focus, focus, focus. Dude, looks like a sponge.
Found a lot of little ones.
Yeah. So like, those are the ones I always skip, the little ones.
Yeah, but look at this
I
one.
go for the in-between size.
Oh, there's that too. It's pretty.
It's nice.
Here's Tom snoring.
Thompson. Focus. Focus. This doesn't want to focus. My camera don't like that one. But that's pretty pretty. Really pretty. So anyway, Amber has a lot of shells. And this, through my whole vacation, I just have this little bag full of them. Because America. And then I got a big bag full of sand. Because America. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm going to end it up here because I'm tired in America. So I'm going to create a boring ending today. Just a normal ending. Bye. No, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. In the comments down below, who can do this? Bet not many of you. Bye.